Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Today I am going to take you with me to Delhi's 50-year-old Sunday Book Market, which is located in Mahila Haat. To go there, you can take an auto, or if you're traveling by metro, exit from Gate 3 of Delhi Gate Metro Station. After that, walk for around 200 meters, and then voila, towards your left, you will find the entry gate of Mahila Haat. When I entered the market, I got really angry to see hundreds of books lying on the floor just like that. I guess the owner was really careless to not stack them properly. And it doesn't matter if the book is a first copy, is a pirated one, or is an original one, all of them should be handled with respect. As I started exploring the market more and more, I was relieved to see that most of the books were neatly arranged for the people to come and see. It saved a lot of my time and energy because I was able to scout through so many titles easily this way. This gorgeous hardcover titled 32nd Paris was the first one to catch my attention. The author in it explains 50 key elements that shaped Paris into world-class city as we call it today. There were chapters on industrial revolution, major political figures, architecture, cuisine, fashion and whatnot. I honestly regret not buying these, but I urge you to please check them out if you visit Mahila Haat. Now, if you're thinking these books must be damn expensive, you must hear what these people have to say. कितने के दिए
ये वाली 50 रुपए की डबल डाइजेस्टर सर
और ये एक ही का है ये
200 में 4 दे दो
ये 70 का है उधर 50 का।
The most in demand books in the market were definitely from the self help category because thanks to the internet, everybody now wants to be the best version of themselves. And here are all the evergreen classics. Trust me, when I found this section, I was literally dancing inside my head. I could find almost all my favorite authors here.
ऐसा नहीं होता
अच्छी वाली क्वालिटी किधर है? उधर है सारी.
आपको जो चाहिए मैं बता दूँगा, अच्छी क्वालिटी और हल्का।
एक तो 40 रूल्स ऑफ लव चाहिए.
अच्छी क्वालिटी है, बेहतरीन रूल है।
और एक माइंडसेट करके बुक आती है.
माइंड सेट में 70 का है,
ये 70 का है.
80 का है।
ये 80 का है. I just purchased the mindset book and skipped buying 40 Rules of Love because the printing was off of the book. Some lines were not there, some chapters were missing. And I was also upset to be surrounded with so many pirated books because I know the author loses their money, the publishing house loses their money if you buy pirated books. But on the other hand, a lot of students benefit from it, and these vendors also find employment. So
how long has it been? Feels like forever. Noticing everything, like the hair on the wall, food on the office table from last week. Parties are gone, weekends are ruined. Can't even handle myself. It's been going too long, more than a nuisance. What?
the stationery you will find in the market is of best quality. I purchased a bunch of colored pens, a marker, a few ball pens, just at the total cost of I guess 120 rupees. If you're planning to visit the Sunday book market, make sure you visit during the early morning hours. I reached there at around 4:30, and at 5:30 I could see most of the vendors packing up their stuff. Joanna Trollope, Willie Russell. I guess these are English authors, maybe contemporary ones. Kitty Neal's A Mother's Sacrifice. The cover of this book reminds me of Mary Kate and Ashley books. I used to read them when I was in school. Comment down below if you've also read them. ये आप इसमें क्यों डाल के रख रहे हैं?
जाने का टाइम हो गया।
अच्छा, कितने बजे ख़त्म हो जाता है मार्केट?
यही अब पैकिंग हो रही है तो आप समझ लो 7 बजे तक।
The hardcovers in the market were of really good quality. When I inquired about the price, the person said they start from $200 and can go up to 300 or a maximum of 350. What did I just see? Maps and a book of maths. It's true that some of your nightmares also follow you during the daytime. Now, with all the filming and scouting through books, I was really hungry, so I went to a nearby cafe, had some really good food, and called it a day.
Stayed in quarantine. Blame the
If you like the video, make sure you please subscribe to the channel, and also let me know what else you want to see from my side. Till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.